You know, 40 years later, we go to Africa. Well, the Spirit working in us was giving us this, I don't even know what word to use, desire, deep desire, that we are more involved in the nations in Africa. And then I meet this man again, Jefferson. Jefferson, would you join me here? And Jefferson comes to Argentine right at the beginning of these weeks, and basically looks at us and says, God has given me a desire for Africa. And I was like, what? And we did not know each other very well, but we have gotten to know each other over these weeks. And we are going to be beginning a work in Africa that will be in every nation. Wow. And it will be at least this is where it's beginning. We don't know where it's going to go, but where it's beginning is we will be teaching online all of the Wellspring that you guys have learned, basically, over and over and over again. We already have, Jefferson already has leaders in every nation, one leader in every nation of Africa. So this is where we're going to begin. We wanted you all to know this, and we want you to pray for us and this work. Okay? Anything you want to add?
No, it's finished.
It's finished. Okay.